Hey there, my friend and fellow trader. Will here over to FXAce.com. First off, a big welcome to the video. End of another great trading week. And in this video, we're going to go over the trades we took this week and the results we gained. Okay, it was a slow week trading wise. We had a few trades, but the trades that we did have banked some nice profits. So before we actually get into this week's video, simply, if you haven't joined or subscribed to the channel yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so let's go over to the results. Okay, we'll go to my FX book in a minute. Okay, sorry, just took it up. So these are the trades we took this week. Okay, only one trade, active trade from the pending orders triggered, and it was in the CAD Swiss franc. It was one of the free trades I sent last Sunday. We'll go over also the CAD Japanese trade that I sent also, as it was a manual entry, as we did have a divergence signal happen on that on the open on Monday, and we'll go over that in this video. So those are the two trades we'll go over. The daily positions. Okay, Wednesday was the best day of the week, banked around 120 pips. We had one trade yesterday on the USD CAD. It did go against us for quite a bit, and then towards the end of the day it dropped back down, allowing us to profit. Okay, so let's get into the charts. The huge trade of the week was the CAD Swiss franc. Okay, and we'll show you my FX book at the end. Okay, CAD Swiss franc, and let's look at it. Okay, just have to open the charts, new chart. Okay, I did go over this trade in detail last week while I was looking to take it, and I'll just go over it again today. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, looking at the better if you hit the monthly. Okay, we'll just zoom in. Okay, you can see we're at this resistance area on the monthly. Okay, our price every time it comes up near this area, it kind of drops down, and we also had this support that I talked about down here around the 172 area. Okay, for a long time now, this has kind of been the range of this currency pair. Okay, so I was looking to play this range this week. Okay, what I had seen as price had come up into this area was this price action here on the weekly. Okay, you can see this initial push up, you get the initial rejection from this level, then you actually get this swing low, and then this swing high here. It wasn't powerful enough to take out this high. Okay, and the market started moving, fizzling out again, indicating weakness in the market and period of distribution, sideways movement. Likely event here was a huge sell-off. Now if you look at the daily charts, that's exactly what happened. Okay, again, we had this initial trend line up. This was actually a position we took not long ago. Okay, this area here was the area that broke the trend. Okay, on the daily chart, you can see down here, broke the trend. Price goes back up to test this area. Okay, did not take out this area. Okay, it got rejected here, rejected again here. Okay, you start making lower lows. The market's moving down. And one last push back up. Okay, this final push, very weak. Couldn't even take out this high and didn't go anywhere near this swing high here, indicating weakness in the market, indicating a possible bull trap. This is to get retail traders into the market thinking the market's going up, going to break out, and then the big players come in and sell the market off, and that's exactly what happened this week. Okay, so that was the reason I was looking to take this trade. Okay, very nice price action. You can see we on the MACD. Okay, price was moving up, but the MACD was moving down further, and we were looking to get in this 74,800. Okay, you can see it triggered and dropped off. Huge sell-off. Okay, nearly 200 pips. We got 190 of those. So it was, but again, price action in this area is simply telling us the market is getting ready for a sell-off. Okay, these push-ups or these rally highs, sorry, are very weak. They're not taking much out. They're getting rejected, indicating strong level, and sellers are buyers are getting taken out of the market and sellers are starting to come in, and then you can see the market sold off heavily here. Likely to continue to drop down towards 72 area. We will see. Maybe a rally up and then a drop down. We will see. Okay, it did hit my target if you watch the video, which was down here. Okay, I was looking to take our first profits at this level here. So all in all, great position. If you did watch last week's video and took it, well done. Okay, next trade we were looking at was the CAD Japanese yen. Okay, let's go over this now. Okay, last week's video I was looking to sell this. Again, reason why was at 9600 or on a divergence signal near our entry, and you can see this was the divergence. As soon as the market opened on Monday, we got the divergence signal. Okay, and we got the huge sell-off. But if we look at the monthly charts here again, we're at a monthly level area of resistance. Okay, here, and actually this selling area here, you can see the market does get in the monthly charts, gets rejected here every time it comes back up. Okay, and it just hit there this week or last month. Well, it was, yeah, a few weeks ago. You can see we've got the rally up and the swing back up, and then this is likely to continue to drop. This push up here, these two weekly candles here, you get the initial drop off, which was the trend line break, and this push up, this was a very, we look at the daily charts, a very weak push up and then a rejection. Okay, which is why I was looking to take this trade, as I discussed last week. Okay, I did think it might pop up a little bit further up towards here, this level here, but again it got rejected at this level here on Monday, and broke down. If we look at the 1 hour charts on Monday here, as soon as the market opens, we got the signal to enter the trade manually. Okay, if you're using the service or you use the MACD indicator, this was a good manual entry for you. Okay, or if you're in the yearly group, you will actually get the EA, which will take this position for you. Okay, you can see from that area, the market sold off pretty powerfully. Okay, huge move down in this. I think it nearly hit, what, 300 pips? Yeah, so 300 pip drop from that position. Very, nice. Okay, trade. Okay, this is the Signal and Copier account. You can see this week our account grew 2.5%. Okay, which is good. Okay, 263 pips. Okay, this month 318 pips just works out with our sheet. Okay, 320 pips were made. Very good. If you want to join the service, simply click the link below. And yeah, that was it. So another great week in the markets. I think that's 6 or 7 weeks in the trot now. We have banked nice profits. Last week we got 140 pips. You can see this month we haven't lost a position yet. On a daily service, we haven't lost a position in a while now. But very good results, and may the good run continue. So if you want to join our premium service, simply click the link below. Any questions, let me know at will@thefxace.com. And yeah, have a fantastic weekend, and I shall see you on the next video.